So you're preparing for UPSC and want to study art and culture, but you don't know where to begin? Well, guess what? We've got your back with our UPSC online course for Indian art and culture. It's got everything you need to clear art and culture related questions in your prelims and mains exams. Use this online course as your first step in achieving one of your life's biggest milestones. This course includes over 40 full-length mock tests for your subject. We've invested a lot of time in preparing each test so that it feels just like the real deal. Same time pressure, difficulty, and marks. But before you attempt these tests, practice, and practice some more with our collection of over 3,000 questions arranged by topic. You can also attempt quizzes featuring the previous year's questions from the past 3 decades. The best part? With each test and practice question, you'll receive immediate results and explanations guiding you through the logical reasoning behind every answer. You'll also get access to 2 simplified ebooks covering everything you need for art and culture in great detail. If you're old school and love the feel of printed pages, you can get hard copies at a special 25% discount within the course. We've handpicked lectures from many UPSC experts that will make every topic crystal clear. But if you're still feeling stuck, just head to the question and answer section to get clarifications and clear your doubts with our team of educators. And because we love going the extra mile, we've thrown in some sweet bonus materials like exam strategies, study plans, cheat sheets, recommended readings, reference materials. You name it, we've got it. You'll have access to the course with unlimited updates for 2 years. We'll keep updating our questions every month. So join the UPSC online course today and take a giant leap towards achieving your goal.